Cái này là cái con trứng của con gì?
Trứng con gà.
À ok.
Trứng con gà trống.
Gà trống. Gà trống ở trong rừng đúng không? Ok ok. Hey everybody, it's me Kyle, and that's right, back there, those mountains, that's China. To my right over here, that's the most beautiful waterfall in all of Vietnam. That's right, Cao Bang. Let's see how we got here in the first place. The morning started off in Cao Bang, one of the most northern, larger cities in Vietnam. You're likely going to need to stay at least a night in the city if you want to visit the falls. So the car got fixed this morning. We're about 2 hours late, but it's okay. We're not in a big rush. Remember, the falls are quite far from the city, so be prepared for that. But again, the landscape in this region is marvelous, and just looking out the window is a special treat. Speaking of special treats, corn grown right by the mountain, sweet potatoes grown in the mountain. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Oh. Why you want? Wow. It's so good,
It's
man.
so good that you...
I'm really over it. It's so good. It's very chewy, but it's delicious. Even though there's no flavor, it's just like a charcoal burnt flavor, but it's still very delicious. Wow. Nghe mùi thơm quá. Wow. That's delicious, man. For some reason, the smaller one tasted a lot better than the big one. The big one, I generally avoid freshwater fish because freshwater fish is very muddy, very, you know, it's not good. Like I had a carp once in the north, didn't like it at all. This is not bad, but I can definitely taste the lake. I can definitely taste the mud in this fish. Frontier area, do not use fly cam, no drones. Okay, well I don't even have one right now. So.
It's good you don't have the drones.
So as you can see right here, guys, this river is the border between Vietnam and China. This over there, I'm pointing at it, that's all China right there. All that is China. It's not easy to get here. It's quite far. It took us a long trip from Saigon. Not to mention many, I think over 100 kilometers of hills and mountains. But the end result is, it's definitely worth it. If you're in North Vietnam, consider checking out this place. It's beautiful. Oh, you can feel the mist from the waterfall. Woo! This is why I have this. There's no tourists here, guys. Predominantly there's local tourists. There's very few foreign tourists here. And on this day, specific today, we haven't really seen anyone else. Outside, yes, they all left. It's good to be a little bit late sometimes. And here we are. We have the whole place to ourselves.
You can hear the music. Dun, 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 dun.
Jurassic Park Dominion, please sponsor us. $350. Wow. Wow. I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Hans Fashion Designing White. I can't even read it. I have no idea what that. Okay, so on the way back, we decided to stop at this local market. I want to buy the fakest, cheesiest thing I can find here. Definitely got to get some really fake shoes as well, because we're so close to China. And Axel found something he really liked right here. Look at this. Cool.
Oh yeah.
Only 170,000, guys. That's like $7 or $8 or something like that. Oh, this is like my grandfather.
170?
Yeah, this shirt is 170.
Okay.
This is very nice. Wow, 170.
Hàng này nó mỏng nó rẻ, hàng này 100 thôi.
Này chỉ có 100 thôi.
Cái này mỏng lắm.
Look like your father.
Yeah. Same jacket almost.
This is so nice. It looks so real.
Oh, that's real.
It's a New Balance. It's New Balance.
Yeah.
But it says KE Sports on it. Cái đó hiệu gì? Có tên của
Versace.
Versace. Cái đó là gì? Bên kia là Gucci hay gì?
Chào chú nha.
Oh, chào. Yeah, I'm mua được dài rồi. Oh. The shop owner who helped me try to locate my drone actually found it and gave my driver a call. So we decided to stop and pick it up. Okay, so we are back.
Nó bị gãy mất mấy cái cánh này, rơi cái cam rơi này ra rồi.
Okay, it's done.
Về chưa?
See the plastic? I was able to retrieve the SD card and the footage was still intact, so that's what you're watching now. So I launched it like normal, it had plenty of GPS satellites on it. The gimbal just sort of goes down a little bit and then suddenly the aircraft just flies on its own towards the mountains. As you can see here, flying drones always gives me anxiety. I hate them. And there it laid on the side of the mountain. But speaking of broken things, the car is... Yes, so we were stuck there again. Another driver was supposed to come get us, but he was 3 hours away. But the good news is they have balut today. Balut eggs, hope with low. Oh.
What's that?
Never seen this before? No. Oliver is a vegetarian. The duck right there.
Ah, the smell for it.
Oh, it's so good. Wow, it's perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna have a mix.
Nếu mà chuyên về điện thì để xem là kia kiểm tra được rồi. Gọi thằng ở trên kia nó chuyên siêu về điện ở Bắc Cạn này. Nó về điện gần thôi.
I know I should be a little bit worried, but I'm just happy that we at least stopped in a safe place because we could have stopped at the side of the mountain. And I've been with these guys by a side of the mountain when it's pitch black. It's not always the greatest. I don't think you remember that night. So next door is actually a gas station, and there looks to be like some restaurant right there. So let's see what they have. Chào. Ở đây có dạng cơm. Còn với cơm thôi.
Cho ăn cơm. Cháu ăn cơm. Thế cháu phải ăn cơm đấy. Ngồi đi ăn cơm.
Tạm bắt cơm bây giờ đỡ đói.
Anh lấy bát ở bên kia.
Thịt vịt có ăn không?
Quay.
Oh, được ăn. Okay, guys. So I just went next door, and these the owner of this restaurant is having dinner with his family, and he's like, "Just come join us." I'm like, "Okay, that's so nice." Nãy con cũng ăn 6 trứng hột vịt lộn. Ở bên Mỹ nó cũng có nhưng mà có thể nó bỏ tủ lạnh nữa. Thì nó không có phát triển lớn hay là cái con nhỏ xíu hay là nó không ngon, nó không có tươi.
Mày uống cái nước canh này xem, luộc cái này ra này.
That's so awesome. We're back. That's so awesome. You see how close it is, guys?
Thank you, Cal. Thank you for this adventure.
Dankeschön.
Thank you again.
Dankeschön.
They find back the drone. So that makes stop here. We are on a place that is pretty safe, let's say. Welcoming people. They propose to eat on the table of them.
Yes, there's food.
Thank you, Vietnam. Thank you, people. Thank you, the Quay.
Come on.
Thank you. This is simple life, and it's something will never happen in Swiss. People will never open the door, welcome you to eat, like that.
And next door, they're gonna let the driver stay overnight.
Not us.
Nhưng mà bình thường là mấy giờ chú đi ngủ?
9 giờ.
9 giờ, ok. Vậy là con...
Mai 4 giờ là cô dậy rồi.
Vậy làm gì?
Dậy bán hàng, dậy làm đồ bán hàng sáng.
Rất vui được gặp các bạn. Rất vui.
Anh nói là cái ký ức này là một trong cái đặc biệt nhất, cái kỷ niệm nhất ở Việt Nam. Là ở gần gia đình cô.
Thì có lấy người Việt Nam không?
This is what Vietnam is all about, guys. This is the real Vietnam right here. You guys know that I'm not a fan of Vietnamese food from the north. I prefer the south. But when it comes to people, and I've said this before, some of the nicest people I've met in Vietnam have been from the far north. And this tonight is definitely no exception. These people took us in. It's raining. I wish I was in bed right now. But the truth is, moments like these makes me miss Vietnam. And this is the real Vietnam. And I appreciate it so much.
Cảm ơn nha. Cảm ơn nha.
Hẹn gặp lại. Ok, chào em nha. Hẹn gặp lại. Bye. 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 The car was fixed and we were on our way back to Hanoi. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow me on Instagram and leave me a comment down below. Do check back for the next video because it will be one of my best, certainly one of my favorites. That's right, I stepped out of my comfort zone and I experienced caving in Vietnam. A big cave. And I went swimming. It didn't go too well. Check back soon.